how to fix your X push notifications delayed. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. And if it's not the case, you can simply go ahead and try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you can also go to your X app settings and privacy and go to notifications and make sure that your push notifications is turned on. And if you're using the focus mode or do not disturb mode on your phone, you want to simply go ahead and make sure that is turned off. The other thing you want to do is simply go to your settings, general, background app refresh, and simply go ahead and turn it on for X. And then you want to also make sure that your battery saver is always turned off. Keep in mind your X application permissions should have the notification allowed, and if nothing works, try updating the application or restarting your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.